Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by again today. I appreciate you for always coming back to watch my video. You guys are so amazing and may God bless you. So guys, today I'll be doing a video of what is inside my hospital bag / my labor bag. Today I just clocked 38 weeks. I'm 9 months already guys, and as you all know, the baby might come 2 weeks earlier from that 8 weeks or 2 weeks late. So I'm not praying that the baby will come 2 weeks late, but the baby will come whenever it's ready. So but I decided to show you guys what is inside my hospital bag that I've just packed, because I know that from now the baby might come at any time. So guys, stay tuned and keep watching. Let's do this together. This small bag contains my things and that of the baby, and the bag is not even full yet. It's a very good bag. Let me close it to show you. It has handle here. You can open it here and bring out the hand and carry it. Very easy, so flexible. So guys, let's get right into the video. I don't have much things for myself, and sometimes what you need to pack inside your hospital bag depends on the country and the hospital you are going. Here they will tell you not to pack a lot of things because they will provide virtually everything you need for yourself and for the baby. They have everything, including diaper, including baby wipes, baby food in case your breast doesn't flow, even clothes for yourself. They have food as well. But as human beings, we still get to pack some things so that we feel comfortable when staying there. But guys, here is what I have. It's not that much. Here they will tell you you will stay only 2 to 3 days after giving birth, but if something comes up you can stay longer. But the hospital have clothes for you. You can put on hospital clothes, but I still have like some night clothes. I have robe because it's very comfortable for me. Though the hospital clothes are nice, but I still have like 2 or 3. Can't remember, but I don't have much. This one is also good for breastfeeding. Very easy. This is the front. You can use it as a nightwear. You can use it to walk around the hospital. And I also have this bra, singlet bra. From here you can quickly detach the hand and breastfeed your baby, and you can attach it back when you are done. So it's very comfortable. And I also have breast pad so that the breast milk will not stain my clothes. I'm also going with one bra, nursing bra. And I have my Dunlop safers. You can go with Dunlop safers or rubber safers. I don't like going barefoot in the hospital or even with socks. And if I want to take my bath, I will go in with these safers. Though it's not a must. I also have in here the stockings I bought online, and here is written, I don't know if you can see it, relax, breathe and push. So that's what I will be wearing before I push out the baby. And if you wear it, it will make you relax your mind. Then once you breathe, you push out the baby. You know what I mean? This sauce will give me that positive vibes. Here I have some toiletries, not that much. I have my sponge because the hospital doesn't provide sponge for you, but there is always liquid soap for you to take your bath. But I still have my liquid soap. I'm going with my liquid soap. I have my deodorant. That's all I have in here. Yeah, I also have small makeup. I'm going with small makeup. I want to look good when taking the first picture with my baby. I have small foundation. This is my blush, and this is the brush that I used to coat it, mirror, and lipstick. That's the only thing I'm going with. I'm not going with a lot of things. I also have disposable pants, though I think I will drop these disposable pants because the hospital have disposable pants, but I feel comfortable using it. So you can go with disposable pants, or you can as well use the hospital one. I think that's all I have for myself. Yeah. Okay, no, that's not all. The side zip, I have toothbrush, and I have this aloe vera oil that I prepared. I have the aloe vera oil that I prepared, which I've showed you the video on how to prepare this. It smells nice. I'll be using this for massaging. If I want my husband or the hospital nurse to massage me, this is the oil they will use. And I can also use this on the baby, and if I take my bath, I will still use this same aloe vera oil. Then for my toothbrush, I bought also a little toothpaste which I will be going with. Though the hospital will provide toothbrush and toothpaste, don't forget to go with your charger, very important. I have my charger because I will be using my phone a lot, so my battery will go down. So I will charge my phone whenever my battery goes down. And since I'll be vlogging with my phone, that's why I'm going with my charger, because I'll be vlogging with my phone. The phone is handy. I planned going with a camera, but I'm still thinking about it. I'm still thinking about going with camera. I will just keep it by the side here. I'm not sure whether I'm going with it. So that's all I have for myself for now, except the snack. Oh guys. Though the hospital have snacks and they have food, but I'll be going with my own snacks. Here I have homemade plantain chips, which I prepared by myself. I also have whole wheat biscuits, which I'll be going with. I also have granules here. So I'll be staying close to the kitchen, and the place is known as hotel. After giving birth, they will put you in a room, a self-con room. There you will have everything you need. You have your own bedroom, your own toilet, computer, TV, virtually everything you will need. Clothes, towels, you don't need to even go with anything, but at times you get to go with some things to be comfortable when going out or when staying out. Yeah, that's the things I have for myself. Then for the baby, the first thing I have here is pacifier, the baby pacifier, which I will sterilize in the hospital before making use of it. Oh my days. Though we'll be staying 2 to 3 days, but I have more clothes for the baby because I don't want the baby to lack anything. In case the baby sweats, I can change the clothes, or if the baby is freezing, I can add another clothes. In here I have this is scarf that I have for the baby since it's winter baby, Christmas baby. So I have some wools as well. You know, the wool protects the baby from cold. Here is the, I don't know if it's called hand glove, I don't know what it's called, just to protect the baby from scratching his face. So I have it, the one that you put on the baby's hand. I don't know the name. If you know the name, please help me and drop it on the comment section. I also have baby scarf. This one is 100% wool to protect the baby from cold. And I have this white one. This is cotton. I also have 2 stockings here. This is wool as well. This one is a bit long, and this one is just small stockings, newborn. It's so cute, right? I just pack everything, all those tiny something. The pacifier, the hand glove, and the stockings. I pack it here so that I will not misplace it. Oh my gosh. Oh. I also have blankets for the baby. This is a white blanket that I bought online. Very cozy blanket. You can see the inside, it has furs. The blanket is very cozy. So I also have it here for the baby. I will use this to carry the baby, or if anyone wants to carry the baby, this is what the person will use to carry the baby. And I can also wrap the baby here and take the baby's first picture, which will come out very fine, I guess. I picked this trouser to go with this clothes because since it has a long hand and it doesn't have a long leg, so this one will protect the baby from the cold. We are in winter season and there is snow everywhere. The cold is too much, so baby will be wearing this one inside a hospital before we leave. That's one of the outfits of the baby. So fine. I also picked this as well. Baby can wear this with this. This is wool, 100% wool, to protect the baby from cold. It will cover the baby very well from cold. Then I have this small jacket. Should I call it jacket? But here we call it fleece. I don't know the name in English, but in Norway here we call it fleece. I have this as well. It has furs all over the body, so it will protect the baby from cold. So the baby might wear this as well. I don't know what the baby will be pairing it with. I don't know yet, but the baby will wear this as well. It's better I go with more clothes than less clothes. This one is also wool. I have this one as well. It's also wool. Then I have this as well. It has Christmas design on it, so I'll be going with this as well. And this one is for sleeping. When the baby is wearing this one, the baby doesn't need hand glove because it comes with glove, and baby doesn't even need stockings. Sometimes you go to hospital with stockings for the newborn and you end up not using it. But I will still go with the stockings in case. Okay, another thing I have here is small baby towels, which I use to clean the baby's mouth. The baby might mess up itself, maybe throw up or anything. I will use this one to clean the baby's mouth once the baby throw up. I'm going with just 3. Then I have bibs because I plan breastfeeding my baby immediately, and I will use bibs to protect the clothes from staining. So then when coming back, I plan putting the baby here when coming back. This is the clothes the baby will be wearing when coming back. When I'm bringing the baby back home, the baby will wear this one. Because of the cold here, the baby doesn't even need socks. This one has socks as well, and the hand is also protected from cold. So that's the thing I have for the baby. I'm not going with any pillow. The hospital provides food for the baby, so no need going with the baby milk. Sometimes it's good to ask the hospital what you can come with than looking at the Google or looking at people's video, because your country and the country they are is not the same. So it's good to ask your hospital, can you brief me a bit what I will come with? Can you brief me a bit what the baby will be needing? so you don't go with a lot of things, because when you see some people packing the things they use just how many days in the hospital, you'll be asking yourself, are these people coming back or are they relocating to the hospital? Yeah, I want to come back immediately with my baby, so I'm not going with a lot of things, guys. 2 to 3 days is enough for me. Then I will come back by God's grace if there is no complication. So that's all I have in my hospital bag / my labor bag. Today exactly today I clocked 38 weeks. So I decided to do this video because I know that my time is ticking so fast. 38 weeks, guys. It's that the baby come 2 weeks earlier or 2 weeks late. So from 38 weeks, that's today. I'm expecting the baby any moment from now. That's why I decided to pack my hospital bag and show you guys what I have inside, because my time is ticking so fast. Yeah, I'm not planning to go with my breastfeeding pillow. This will be here, it will be home here. The hospital told me not to come with any pillow, and they have a lot of pillows there. If you don't like this one, you can choose another one. So why going with pillow? But the major thing you don't need to forget is baby car seat. Don't forget to go with your baby car seat. Once you are driving the baby back home, you have to go with this. Even in Africa, I think everywhere, even in Africa, once you are driving the baby home, you must have to go with car seat, baby car seat. So I'll be going with the baby car seat as well. So that is it for today's video. That's all the things I have inside my bag. So I just keep everything here. This one I will not go with this one. The camera for now, I'm not sure yet. So these ones will be here. Why these ones will be out here? In case anything happens, I will just grab my bag and grab the car seat and off I go. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all for always coming back to watch my video. You guys are so amazing. Remember to thumb up the video for me, comment down below and share out the video. Stay blessed and bye.